So as a beginner and you are really interested in learning how to slap very well, there are some certain exercises you need to go through before you can be able to slap like the pros, okay? And in this video, I'll be taking you through this exercise, okay? So I want you to watch the video to the end so that when you master this slap, I'll be bringing more slap lesson on how to slap on a simple song, okay? But before we start the breakdown, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you'll see my WhatsApp link or my Patreon link down below in the comment section. Click on any of the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp or to the Patreon website, okay? So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So let's look at the first exercise. After that, I'll show you how to use it, okay? This is where you have to use your thumb finger on that string. That is, let's say for example we are playing on the 4th string, we're on key G, okay, and you use your thumb on that string or on that note, then you also pluck on that same note, you understand? So you understand, okay? So we'll be using it on a simple major scale. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. You understand? Okay, so just take it slow. My plucking finger is behind my thumb, you understand? So you understand? So as you are learning this, try to concentrate here than here, you understand? So you understand? And make sure that when you are doing this exercise, try to start from the 1st fret, 1st string. Just do it. You understand? Okay? And even on your heavy bass, you understand? So just take it slow. Next to your 3, or you can use it with any kind of scale, you know, like the blues scale. You understand? Okay, so just try for now as a beginner, try to just master how to thumb and pluck at that same string, and just master. That's the only thing that matters. Then after then you can start using them in your own groove. Okay, we are going to bring in ghost note to it, you understand? So go. You understand? So just take it slow. The same plucking process, but when you want to do a ghost note, just make sure that your left finger stays on top of the string, but do not press on any note. You understand? You understand? Okay, so now let me show you how to use it. So you see, so I want to pluck 2 notes on my octave, so I pluck the thumb, you understand? So you see, then I also do the ghost note on my 1, so you understand? Okay, so you understand? Okay, so you can also try to apply this in your own groove. So just take it slow. 1, on your 1 you pluck and thumb, then let's say your 7 flat, then your 5, 4, 5, 1. You understand? So on your last, when you come to your 1 here, that is your root. So 1, you press, then you thumb again, ghost note. So bam, bam. You understand? So you understand? Okay. Okay, so this is just a simple exercise you can use. Okay, so secondly, let's go to the second exercise. Now we'll be using the root and the octave on the groove. So root 1, octave, then you understand. Bam, bam. You understand? Okay, so you just need to concentrate and feel as if you are playing a drum. You understand? You understand? So 1, 1, 1, 7 flat 7, 1, 1, 1, 3 flat 4 5, then 1. You understand? Okay, so practice the ghost note and make sure that where you hit that 1, your root and octave, do that ghost note there. You understand? Don't do the ghost note in any other string. So make sure that your hands go inside very well, but not too inside, so that you'll be able to pluck softly. You understand? So you understand? Okay, let's say on D. You see? So now I am bringing the ghost note in the groove. So we are playing on key D. You see? D, D. Your ghost note. Then you have your 6, your 7 flat. So just take it simple. Okay, we are just playing, just concentrate on the ghost note. Ghost note, you see, I play the groove, ghost note. You understand? You understand? So we have your 3 flat and you back to your 1. Okay, so practice the first one and the ghost note. So the third one, I want you to focus on you using only your thumb finger. Okay, using this helps a lot. You have to use it with a ghost note. Okay, so bam bam. You understand? Okay, 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 1 4 4 5 5 1 1 2 just don't stop. Okay, just play along with the thumb only. Okay, you can just try and create a progression. Let's say 3 6 4 1. So okay, so just I think this third one is very simple. Okay, get the right sound for it. Okay, 6 2 2 3 1 4 4 5 1 5 5 5 6 2 2 3 1 1 4 4 5 1. Okay, so guys, I think this is what I have for you right now, and I'll be bringing more slap lessons, so stay tuned. And I want you to join my group. You see the link in the description below. Join the group so that you don't miss any updates. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye for now.